Hey everyone, Zach here. Welcome back to the channel, and it's time for another update on Safemoon, and this one is pretty interesting. So, Safemoon and Wall Street bets. Could it be? Could Safemoon be the next AMC or GME? We're going to get into that in this video. There's been some recent noise and some recent chatter on Twitter with hashtag SafeMoonSqueeze trending on Twitter yesterday. Before we get into that, which I think is interesting in and of itself, let's just take a look at the chart. And this is something I've been talking about in my other couple Safemoon updates. Right now we're in this long consolidation period. You could see right here on screen, yesterday we got down, we actually broke that 03 level where it's been consolidating for so long. We broke it momentarily, and I said, this might be just a really good buy just from looking at the charts, just from that perspective, right? We've been consolidating here for really quite some time, all the way back in May 23rd, about a month ago today at the time of recording this video. We've been sitting at that 3.5 or, slightly above level for some time. Now you can see that it's had some ups and downs. Of course, it had the, parabolic rise back in May. Yesterday we got down to that 2.87 level. You can see here on the right side. Now we're currently sitting at 3.44, so we're back up 13% here in the 24-hour period. But Safemoon has a lot of things working in its favor. It's coming out with the Safemoon wallet. It's been consolidating for a long time, showcasing that it has a lot of holders, right? Just take a look at their Twitter account. They've got almost 1 million followers already. So this is going to be super interesting to watch this play out. And now let's get into some of the recent news, which I find super interesting. Hashtag SafeMoonSqueeze. So let's jump into it. This article right here by Investor Place. So the user right here, as you can see below, is calling the potential squeeze the crypto version of GameStop and AMC, but way bigger. They go on to list reasons to be bullish on Safemoon, relying not so much on technical analysis, but rather claims like Safemoon is under attack. The post is working to get SafeMoonSqueeze trending. Thousands of tweets are now flooding the social media platform, with users pumping the Reddit post and others calling for the token to rocket. We've seen a huge shift in communities, right, and how communities could rally behind various assets like AMC, like GME. Say what you want about it, right, but the people who have rallied behind AMC and GME have saved those companies. Those companies were going bankrupt. They were going down and down in a hurry. Right now they have this sort of, they've sort of been revitalized, right? They have a potential, opportunity here to save their business and have success in the future. Safemoon could be the next one, so we're hearing. Again, even without this news, I liked Safemoon where we're at right now. But again, if we scroll back, I think it's actually to the top here, it says, it looks like altcoin buyers are buying or looking for something to rally around, right? Of course, Shiba Inu is one of those as well. Dogecoin has been in the mix. Safemoon trends on Twitter as it trended yesterday. Inspired by the success of Wall Street bets, some of these crypto fans are trying to squeeze prices. Many are now saying that Safemoon has the potential to be the next GameStop or AMC Entertainment. And we take a look, there's a bunch of articles talking about this. It's not just one article. Safemoon price locked in a range while investors wait for the biggest squeeze. Safemoon price has collapsed into a descending channel as notable weakness in the cryptocurrency complex weighs. Its 54-hour simple moving average is unable to take the role of support full time. And they talk about the price pump does not get any quality jump. So in a spirited attempt to induce a campaign to pop off Safemoon price, Reddit users posted GME and AMC brought me, where they encouraged Safemoon followers to create a crypto version of the GameStop and AMC rise. So a lot of investors talking about this, but here's what we're talking about. Look at this just steady consolidation. I think it's primed to go up without this news, right? However, there is one more article that talked about this, so let's bounce over here. This article actually addressed the question, can Safemoon hit 1 penny? But there's some interesting parts in this article that I want to highlight. How many Safemoon coins are there? The original supply of Safemoon tokens was 1 quadrillion, but the developers keep on burning tokens, which has left the circulating supply at around 585 trillion. The idea here behind burning tokens, as we know, is that it'll take out supply, which when combined with increasing demand would lead to a higher price. Supply and demand tells us that makes anybody who holds these tokens, their tokens worth more, right? This is something that the Shiba Inu community has been calling for, right? The burning of tokens. We'll have to see if that actually plays out. Safemoon has already done that and will continue to do that. So their tokenomics are perhaps a little bit ahead of Shiba Inu at this point in time. Another reason why I like Safemoon. All right, so they also show here transactions by saving your regular contacts within the Safemoon wallet and how that will look like. Why Safemoon is rising. Here we go, Safemoon price prediction. So Wallet Investor digital coin price also put out some predictions here. So Wallet Investor has a price here for both 2021 and a 2025 price in 5 years. In order to hit this 2021 price right here, I would have to grow 600%. In order to hit this price right here, that would be 3,000%. Pretty conservative estimates here, though. Digital coin price, how about their estimates? In order for to hit this in 2021, it would have to grow 72%, which I think is pretty feasible. In order to hit this by 2025, excuse me, this by 2025, this by 2021, so this number, it would have to go up 251%. We've seen how quick, though, these assets can move up and down, whether it be Safemoon, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, AMC stock, GME stock. But this is really interesting, and we know the power of community and how it can influence various assets. If this were to happen, I do think Safemoon goes to the moon. Let me know what you think down in the comments, and before we get out of here, we are going to talk a little bit more about Safemoon here. For Safemoon crypto to reach a penny, this is interesting. It will have to rise by 34,264% from its current price. So a long way to go to reach 1 penny, but you know what the power of community can do. We've seen it in action. Look at AMC. It came from the basement all the way to, what, $60 a share, fluctuating obviously right now as we speak. But the best way to buy Safemoon, also, a lot of people ask this question. PancakeSwap is the most popular way for investors to access the token right now. You can also go through Binance, Huobi as well. So you can't buy Safemoon with fiat money. Therefore, you will need to use an intermediary cryptocurrency like Binance Coin. So that's something to keep in mind. Then they get into Safemoon versus Dogecoin. No mention of Shiba Inu here, but I really categorize all three of these into the community basket, right? These are my top three. This is what I say all the time. I like Safemoon. I have yet to invest in it, but I am watching it very, very closely. And again, one of the other reasons why I like Safemoon, along with this latest news with the Safemoon Squeeze hashtag, their dev team is very upfront, very informative, and have been that way from day one. One last thing before we get out of here, and if you got some value out of this video, make sure you like and subscribe. Would appreciate that. Would love to have you join the community. And then if you want a little bit more, if you want a little bit more insider access and join our, you want to join our private community, we have that as well. I'll link that in the description. Our Patreon, you could be a supporter or an insider over here. We just gained another member today, and we're continuing to gain a few each and every day. Now, I will say a lot of people may be waiting till the first of the month in order to launch that subscription. I totally understand that. Let me know if you have any questions about that. I'd be happy to answer that for you. So going back to Safemoon, drop down in the comments below what you think about Safemoon and its potential to be the next squeeze, or perhaps the really large squeeze in the crypto market, similar to an AMC or GME. I'd love to hear from you, and I will see you in the next video.